Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 42. If the dimensions of the above cube are multiplied by 3, by what factor does the volume increase? This is one of my favourite sums here. It's a really interesting one, and if you want to solve it, please pause the video now. I will move on to the next slide to discuss the solution. If the original cube has sides m centimetres, so we have m centimetres, m centimetres and m centimetres. Remember, for a cube, all the sides are equal. Then the volume of this cube is V equals m centimetres times m centimetres times m centimetres, which is m cubed, cubic centimetres. So that's the volume of the original cube. The lengths are each increased to 3m, because remember, it is increased to 3 times the original size. So let's assume now that each side is 3m. So the new volume will be 3m centimetres times 3m centimetres times 3m centimetres. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, m times m times m is m cubed, 27m cubed cubic centimetres. Hence, the new volume increases by a factor of 27. So even though you multiply the length of each side by 3, the volume is 27 times larger. It's a very interesting problem. I wonder how you went with it.